Hi everyone, my name is Elaf and I am a psychology and criminology student, and I'm just gonna walk you through how online classes for my course work. So first of all, I'm going to go to Student Central, where I can basically find everything about my modules, my lectures, anything I need to know about my course. My lectures are pre-recorded, so they are live. It's a weekly lecture, so I'm looking for week 4, and it's basically a video, and while watching that video, I take notes. I tend to like taking notes more than typing it up because it helps me focus and it helps me stay organized, and it's just much easier for me to do that. After that, I take a 10 to 15 minutes break depending on how long my lecture is, and it's very important to take breaks in between, stretch yourself, exercise a little bit, just take a quick walk. After that, I prepare for my seminar. What I'm showing you right here is basically one of my readings that I need to do. Because psychology is more of a research course, it's more of evidence-based research and reports. It's very important to read. It's very important to know what everyone is talking about, what you're writing about. So I just tend to do that. My seminars are online and they're not necessarily right after my lecture. Uh, they are. I have 3 seminars a week, and they are online. They are live, and it is a 1-hour seminar where we get to discuss the topic the lecture was talking about. Seminars are on Teams, so we meet on Teams, and Teams is such an easy software to use. It's straightforward, and you'll know how to use it right away. After my seminar, I just tend to look at Student Central one last time just to check, just in case I missed anything that I needed to do today. But today was such a quick day. I only had 1 lecture and 1 seminar. I did all the readings I needed, and that basically how I end my study routine. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you, and thank you.